I'll just explain a few things first. The problem you were having was, just to clarify things, the problem you're having was that the email was, you were losing emails, and we thought, and you're using Microsoft Windows Live, and you would copy emails from the inbox into other folders, and the folders would just disappear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it did.
Okay. I spoke to Gary about it. I emailed Gary about it, and he said, because I was under the impression that what was happening is they were disappearing because when you went to, because you're using what we call it IMAP, which means that you're not actually getting the emails, you're actually getting copy, you're seeing only a heading of the emails, and the emails themselves are stored on the server.
Yeah.
Discovered that because you're using Optus as your service provider, that Optus only allows, I think it was either 250 or 500 megabyte of capacity to store email messages. So once that capacity is used up, then what they tend to do is remove the oldest emails first. So that's why they are disappearing. Tells me that what happens is with your IMAP email, it's when the messages that when you move them to a internal folder or some such thing like that, they stay on your computer. So the problem seems to be with the internal folder. So perhaps if you could you understand what I mentioned there?
Yes, I did.
Okay. So perhaps, right, if you can share your screen now, and we'll go into your Windows Live Mail, and we'll look at that first. Now, just another thing before we do that, though, you did confirm that you now have got the password to your. Is that correct?
Yeah, I got the password to Windows Live Mail.
No, but the password to the Optus account within Windows Live Mail.
Yes, I have. Yeah, I had to ring them, and it took about an hour, but I've got it.
Okay. All right then. All right. If you share your screen, then you remember how to do that. Okay. Okay, it's not being shared. Oh yeah, now it's shared. Okay. All right. I'll switch my thing over so I can see your screen in larger detail. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can see it bigger now. So if you go into your Windows Live Mail for a starter.
Yep.
Okay. So see on the left-hand side there.
Yep.
Down the bottom there, it says storage folders, right?
Yep. Yep.
According to Gary, right, they are not stored on the storage folders are not stored on the Optus server. They're actually stored on the on your local computer. All right. Now he also said something to me. He said he sent me an email, so I'll just call up the email and told me where to go looking for the. I'll just quickly go and have a look for that now.
Right.
He told me where to go to find out where the files are stored. So we're going to go have a look at that. Gary's email. Yeah, why Gary? Okay. Ask Bob, which you know. Where's the email I got from him? I just got to find the email.
Well, I've got two here that you forward on to me from Gary. Do you want me to bring those up? Can you see them if I did?
If you can find them, yeah, but I just.
What about that?
Let's hold on. Did he?
Well, I don't know. I think so. Yeah, I suppose it was from him. It looks like it.
Oh, yeah, that's the one. All right. Okay. Oh, but I also sent him another one, which is a follow-on from that one, and asked where actually they're stored. All right.
I've got two here. So can I just show you this one?
Yeah, second one. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Okay, now it's the next one that we need to look at.
Right. That's it. The only two I've got.
Yeah, to go to the 14th September. That's the one. The one above that one. The 14th September. That's it.
There it is.
So he said, also find out. Okay, he says, also to find out if setup is IMAP, then right-click on the email account in the left column and then left-click on properties. So if you go back to your thing, so let's have a look at that. Right-click on email and go then right-click on the email account in the left column. What do you mean by the email account?
I don't know.
In the left column.
In the left click properties. Right-click email.
Drafts, sent items, quick views, unread contacts, mail. Well, add an. Which down at the bottom, perhaps it means where it says mail. See, it says add an email account. It's got mail underneath that. Over on the left-hand column. No, that's right. Come down 2 lines, couple of lines down. So it's got under.
Yeah.
No, not the add one. The one that says mail.
Oh, yeah, this one.
That.
Oh.
Right-click's not doing anything.
No, nothing at all.
Okay. What's in it? Okay. Perhaps right up the top it says inbox and it's got mail@optus.com.net. Right click on that.
Now, inbox, mail.optus.com. This one here.
There we are. And go down to properties. That's what we probably want. What does he say to do? Hold on, I'll just read what he said. Okay. Okay, he said, also you find IMAP, right click on another one and then left click on properties. Under the server tab, you'll see under server. So it's on general at the moment. Go across to server.
Yep.
It says your incoming mail server is POP3.
Oh.
So it's definitely not IMAP. Okay, all right. So we know that much. All right. Also notice there, it's got the username, it's got the password there. But anyway, we can't see the password because it's got dots on it. All right, doesn't matter. But you know what the password is. So
that's so outdated. It's not funny.
It
wouldn't be
interesting.
Would it?
Voice is starting to go crackle up now. It was nice and good to start with. It's starting to crackle up. I think it's nothing to do with your microphone. I think it's to do with the speed of the internet.
Oh.
It's slowing it down. Okay. All right then. So that's not the problem. Okay. All right, so the next thing, if you go, just close that window for the time being, close that screen, that's right. And let's go down and says, and I see many people know using it. Scroll down a little bit. Not deleting then, there's something wrong with the thing. Okay, so just scroll down a little bit further on his email, that's it, over on the right side, okay. No. Now it must be the previous one where he, hold on. Many other people know there. Okay, I think I sent him another email asking him how to find out. So I'll just, it looks like he hasn't replied to you. I'll see if I find a, what was the name of that was called? Okay, I'll put in Chris's email. No, can't find it. What's going on? Okay. Yeah, read Chris's email problem. There we are. That's it. Okay. All right. He said in the maintenance menus. Okay. Set folder storage button. So we're in the maintenance menu. So general reader. So how do we get to that? All right. Hi, Jeff, in the maintenance menu. Okay. So he's saying, must be under options. We've got to find the options and then the maintenance menu and advanced. Because that's where it's telling you. I'm still looking for what is showing. All right. So we need to go to where we get to the settings. All right. So auto calendar, delete, junk, sync. Just go up under tools.
Tools?
Yep. Options. Go down to options, last one. Okay. All right. Now, has it got receipts, composed, signatures, advanced? I think it's advanced. Up to advanced, up the top of that one. That one.
Yeah.
Okay. Click maintenance for more advanced settings on the storage of messages. Click on maintenance.
No.
But then at the bottom button on the bottom of that
click
window.
Maintenance, that one there, and click on maintenance.
Yep. Okay, now what's it says? And then also says, okay, empty messages. Now let's just check a couple of things. Clearing up messages, empty messages when deleted files. We haven't got that ticked. Compact the database on shutdown every 100 runs. I wonder if that's your problem. So that one that's ticked says compact database.
Yeah, there.
Yeah. We'll leave it as it is at the moment, all right? Okay.
Right.
You know, go down to where it says store folder. That's what I want to find out. Go down to where it says store folder and click on that.
Right.
Okay. So it's saying your store folder is app data, local, Microsoft, and Windows Live Mail. That's where we went and had a look the other day, didn't we?
I think so.
Had a look at the other, couldn't find it all there. Okay. All right. Well, just leave all that screen over it. Leave all that as it is.
Yeah.
And go down to your file manager, and we'll walk through to that and see if we can find where they should be stored in Windows Live Mail. So go down to the bottom of your taskbar and click on the little yellow icon on your taskbar. Right, okay. No, next to the left a little bit more.
Yeah.
That one. Yep. Click on that one.
Oh. Yep.
Okay. So it's users Chris app data local Microsoft. Okay. Click on that one. Okay. So we need to go to your C drive. So down the bottom it's got OSC. Click on that.
Yep.
Okay. Go to underneath that. We need to go to click on the users folders over to the right there, the yellow second one in the second column down. On the right hand side there, Chris.
Yeah.
That one, yeah, double click on that. Okay. Now we need to go to Chris, double click on Chris.
Yep.
Okay.
Now we've got to go up on that top line, haven't we? That's right, lost last time.
Hold on.
App something.
I'll just have a look. Go just to make sure we've got it. Go up to View and click on the View tab.
View.
And your hidden files is already ticked, so that's okay. We're not a problem there. You need to go back to the Windows Live Mail. I need to look at that again. Windows Live Mail. Tab down. Click on the app. Okay, so we're at App Data. Now, so it's Chris, App Data, Local, Microsoft. Okay, so come back to the yellow, click on the little, that's right, click on that one.
That one?
Yeah. Local data wasn't the next one. I've forgotten it already.
App data. Oh, I had it.
App data. You go to app data. Don't click on. I thought it said local data.
I think, yeah, local. Didn't it just say local? When you got to app data, and I haven't got that here. I don't know where it is.
Okay, go back to it again. Go back to the Live Mail. To the Live Mail one again.
There.
I'm sorry, no. Chris, then app data, then local, then Microsoft. Okay, so
I've got it on this little tiny window here. App data.
Yeah, okay, right.
Microsoft.
Okay, go back to the little yellow thing at the bottom of the screen and click on that and go back to the Chris one.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to app data. Fourth from the top. Keep coming down. App data. Double click on that.
Local.
Yep. Then local. Double click on that. Yep. Then Microsoft. We're going to go down to that one. Microsoft. This is where we might have made the mistake yesterday, because it's Microsoft, Microsoft Corporation, Microsoft. They'll get a Microsoft. Double click on that one. The Microsoft one. It says Microsoft. Yeah, double click on that.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, and then we're looking for Windows Live Mail.
So there it is.
Live Mail. Double click on that one. That's where it is. Okay, so
it's just plain mail there.
Yeah, I'm just looking for there's a lot of stuff with the 18th. There's no folder with the 18th written on it, is there?
No, it doesn't seem to be.
Contact, mail, option, account, channel. It's got mail there. It's got a GIMP thing. No particularly big folders. Text document.
Mail message store. What was that about?
Yeah, that seems to be the biggest one, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah, 16,000.
Well, that would appear to be where all your mail's all being stored, and that all seems to be okay. Okay, just that's the last one, isn't it? We haven't got a scroll bar, so that's all the other folders. So that's where it appears to be that your mail is being stored in there. But I was under the impression they were going to be in folders. We'll just go back again. All right.
Yeah.
I think that might be where that is being stored, the incoming email, but perhaps folders is something different. So leave that as it is. Go back to the Windows Live Mail again and point at that at the bottom of the screen. Click on that. So that's where that's stored. Okay. So it says clear up messages, store folder. Okay. Okay. Just click on OK on that box for the minute.
That one there?
Yep.
That little tiny box?
Yeah, click on that. Okay. Just close the maintenance one.
This one? Yeah.
Close that. And close the other one. All right.
Options?
Yeah. Yep. Close that. Now you've got the mail thing there, but you've got storage folders. Go down to where the heading for storage folders is.
That's that one there.
Now right click on that. Right click on that and see what it gives you.
Yeah. Open, find, new folder, move, up, set, color, and properties is grayed out.
Okay. The properties is grayed out.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, click on find and see what it says when you go on to find. No, underneath.
Yep. Storage folders.
No, it's just finding emails within storage folders. That's all. Just close that window.
This one?
Close it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But it's grayed out for storage folders. Okay. Go to one of the ones that you created the other day. For example, that one is Gaza, Jeff, and Ron. Right. Right click on that. Right click on that.
Yep.
Go down to properties on that one.
This folder contains 93 messages. Wouldn't have thought it counted that many, but still.
But it doesn't actually tell me where it's stored.
No.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
It's telling me where it's stored. All right. I'm still in a dilemma about that. All right. I was just trying to solve the problem before we went any further, but anyway. So anyway.
Close this.
Yeah, close that one now. Yeah. We still can't seem to think of why where it's actually storing those folders. I can't see.
That's right.
When we went to that other thing, and if we couldn't see anything that had Gary, Jeff, and Ron, or anything like that, unless it stores it all in one file or some such thing like that.
That's right. Well, the ones I've lost have been the same type of like business and England, and they were the same stuff. Other folders that I've got stuff in, and I've got a great deal more in, just sit there. But it seems like the ones that I like with receipts and stuff like that,
Okay. All right. Anyway, I don't know why. All right. I still don't understand this. I'm going to have to research it even more. But anyway, we're working beyond the problem by using Gmail instead. All right. Okay.
Yes, I can get rid of this, the better.
Okay. just minimize Windows Live Mail for the time being.
Right.
Okay, minimize that other screen for the time being. You might want to come back later on. Yeah, just minimize it. Minimize them all. Okay. All right. The only thing I can think of next, what I want to do next is get into your what's the name? Your Optus account and get Optus to redirect the mail to your Gmail account. All right.
Yes, I've got
so you can access it in Gmail.
And
you have been accessing it in Gmail up to now, haven't you?
Yes.
The latest. Okay. All right. So what we need to do is open a new tab at the top of the screen there. You know how to open a new tab up the top of the screen?
Click on those 3 buttons, right?
Well, it's one more. Well, let's. Oh yeah, you can say new tab. Yeah. Yeah. Just by the way, a quicker way of doing that. You notice where it says new tab there.
Oh, where?
Up the top, where it's right up the top. It's got new tab.
Yes.
Point there. Slightly to the right of that. If you go to the right again, there's a little grey one. That does the same thing. You don't have to do it. That does the same thing. Okay. All right. So we want to go to Optus. So just type in www.optus.com.au. Is it? I don't know. Just type not there. Don't type it there. Type it up in the address bar.
Oh yeah.
Right up the top, below the tabs there.
www.
You realise that? Okay. www.optus. Optus.
I got it. No, it's come up with everything else.
Okay. No, you don't want to search the one that says optus.com.au. Click on the second from the bottom. That's it. No, the blue one. That's it.
That one there?
That'll do. Yeah, that'll do. No, the one below that one.
Oh, sorry. No, what am I going to do?
Doesn't matter. You've gone to something else. Just go. Okay. Okay, it's got username, password. Okay. So log into my account. I don't know if this is your account or your email.
Well, shall I go back and do it?
No, please log into using your email. Just go back with the back button once.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe do it again, hey?
Yeah, Optus.
www.optus.
Okay. Now it's the second one from the bottom. That's it. There. Click on that one. That takes you to the Optus homepage. That way I know where I'm going from. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And over there it says, where have we got? Where's your email? Where's the email? Optus pre-order learn. Log in. Up to the top, the right-hand corner on that black bar.
Yeah.
Then click on that. Log in. There, click that, and you want to log to webmail.
Right,
Go to the one that says webmail. Okay. All right. So you put in your username there, which is your what's the name, and that password that's
right. I'll get it on
it's already there, Chris. You have to start typing it as it's there.
Yep.
Click on the one below it. No. That's it. Click there. Now type in the password.
Right, password. Here we go then. Oh dear, I hate this. Z K M C M K D. Thank God.
We're in. Okay.
We're in. Oh.
Okay.
No.
Okay then. All right, close that. Okay, close that one that says close so you can see the mail behind it.
Yeah.
Okay, no messages in the folder. Okay. Rightio. So what we want to be able to do is allow. I don't know if we're going to do this from this end or we're going to do it from the Gmail end. So I'm not sure because I've never done this with Optus, so I don't know. What we want to be able to do is allow the
Optus or Windows Live Mail to send my mail.
Allow Optus to transfer the mail to Gmail. Just by the
Yeah.
way, interesting, it's got spam there, 142. Spam messages, it's got trash, 6. Have you been deleting messages from here?
No, I don't know what that is because I usually do get rid of my spam as it comes along, but I don't know how much I've got in there. I didn't think it was that much.
Well, one of the things is, I know, for example, that Optus only give you a limited amount of email. So therefore, if you've got 142 of them in the spam, that's taking up a fair amount of space.
Yeah, that's right. But as I say, I usually get rid of them quite quickly. But I don't know. I didn't realise I had that much in it. But I keep cleaning things out all the time.
Okay, all right. Interesting. But if you clean them up, I don't. But you're cleaning up spam on, just because you clean up spam on Windows Live Mail.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean that it's going to get rid of the spam on the Optus server. So that's saying spam on the Optus server, which probably never even gets transferred to your Windows Live Mail.
I just gonna say, so how I can't get rid of that? Can I? How do I get rid of that?
Yeah, if you can. Well, you've never been in here. You ever been in this screen before?
No, never.
Never. Okay. Click on where it says spam 142.
Yeah.
Click on it.
Just a spam word.
It's loading in the spam messages.
Oh, it's funny that from ANZ I don't get stuff from ANZ coming through.
No, this is spam. That simply means that this is junk mail that people have sent to you.
Oh,
right?
Yeah, I've never seen any of this.
If you have a quick scroll down at Chris, scroll down the list. All right.
Yeah, I got to the bottom.
But there's 1 of 25 of 142. Do you want to get rid of them all?
Yeah.
You want to get rid of them all. All you do is you look up the top there. There's a something there will be where you can select them all. I'm just trying to find out where it is. There's a little pencil. There's a little down arrow next to the pencil.
Yeah.
Up the top. What's on that? Click on that.
New email, new comment.
Not that. Okay.
Oh, something's gone.
No. I didn't want you to click on that. Sorry. You have to go back to spam again now.
Yeah, I've done it. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. All right. One of those buttons at the top. It might be the one with the little cog and the down arrow. The little cog and the down arrow. Click on that. Don't click anything else.
Select
click
all.
on that. Yeah. It says select all. That's it. Select all.
Yeah.
Selected. Okay. Now, how do we delete them?
I can't believe this. Nothing. There's nothing on there that makes sense.
No, that's right. Because this is all spam that unfortunately, even the great thing about emails nowadays is that the people that filter it all out before it even gets to you. So this is 142 messages that never even got to you because you don't want to know about it. Okay.
Well,
all right. So how do we delete them?
Oh.
Just right click. Put the pointer on any of the green ones. Oh, there is the trash. You just click it on that.
What about that? There's a trash can.
Yeah, just click on that. All right. Now, in a minute.
No.
Oh, there's still more of them.
Spam. I've still got 117.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we can't see a screen full at a time. Oh. And then we're going to have to empty the trash ones as well.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just a matter of interest. Point at the spam one. Point at this thing that says spam, but don't click on it. Right click on it.
Yeah.
Let's see if it allows you to do anything else. Right click.
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing. Okay. Can't do that. Okay, go to the cog again and say select all.
Yeah.
Select all. And then click on the rubbish bin again.
Yeah.
Then do it again.
And again,
come up again in a minute.
Yes, that's right. It's gone down. Select all.
And then into the rubbish bin. Select all rubbish.
Yeah, I've only got 42 now, so.
You don't have to wait until they appear. Then I'll select all rubbish bin. Yeah.
Yeah.
32 left. Getting there. Select all again.
Rubbish bin.
Rubbish bin.
And 17. This is.
Wait till they appear before you click on select all. Okay, there's only 17 now. This will be the last lot. Rubbish bin. Okay, we got rid of them all.
Everybody have to do this.
Now we've got to get rid of the ones out of your trash as well. So go to the trash one and click that.
Yeah, done that. Now we've got 173 in there.
Yeah, that's right.
148. So I do go through this again?
I don't know. There must be a better way. You can't right-click on the trash one.
No, nothing happens.
Okay. There's no thing that says get rid of all trash. There must be something.
No, normally they've got a little... No, I'm just...
There must be a way of getting rid of all the trash without having to go through...
That's right. Normally they've got a little cross, haven't they? And you click on the cross and that clears it out in a second.
Yeah.
But you plug through...
Okay. No. Okay, just go to settings. Can you get rid of them out of settings? There is something in set up above the settings.
Settings, account.
Quota, you've only used 5%. You've got, there you are. You've used 21. 23.1. Okay. Display modes, display messaging, preferred planes, automatic draft, notifications enabled, audio off. Okay. Scroll down further and see if anything about trash. Scroll down a little bit further. Enable preview pane, signature, messages. Well, messages per page, you can change that from 25 to a much bigger number and we could probably get rid of them quicker.
All right then.
Select 200. 200. 200. That'll do it. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Is there something at the bottom that says okay?
No.
Isn't okay? I'll assume that's done. Okay. All right. Go back to the back screen.
Oh, that won't work. Oh, hang on. Here we go.
It's coming. It's just going to take a while.
Do that now. Eh? Select all.
Yeah. No. Well, you can't put them in the rubbish bin because they're already in the rubbish bin.
Oh.
So how do we get rid of them? How do we delete the stuff out of the rubbish bin?
Oh, trash.
What's the one with the X in the folder there? No, 3 to the left of that one. No, next one across. What's that do? No, not one that says forward. The one front. No, 2 to the right now.
This there. Report spam.
No, that's not what we want to do. Okay. How do you get rid of the stuff out of the spam? How do they delete it?
Shall I try this trash and see what happens?
All right, yeah.
Are you sure you want to delete? Yes.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right. So that's how you do it.
Oh, it's still going to plod through it again. Oh, God. Here we go.
But hold on. It should be showing 200 at the time now, not... Okay.
Yeah, but 123 still didn't really work like that.
Click OK. We'll go back to settings again and change that 200 to... Make sure that 200 is all set. Go up to settings. Go up to settings.
Oh, yeah.
Go up to settings. Okay. Okay, go down to the bottom of the list, somewhere down the bottom.
Yeah. Messages.
Still set at 25, so obviously we didn't save it.
Right, now how did we not collect that?
Okay.
That's all.
At the bottom of your thing, you've got a thing that says stop sharing and hide. Just click on hide. It might be behind that.
Save. Here we go. Save.
There it was. We had it covered up. Okay, save the settings. Okay. All right. Now if settings have been updated, you may need to refresh your browser. Okay, go back with the back button. Okay. All right. And it'll still only be I've gone too far back.
Rats. Oh, hang on. I'll just click the other thing now.
Okay. Oh, there we go. That's the.
Oh, look, the trash is empty.
Hold on.
Trash is.
It's still loading.
Oh, rats.
98. Okay, just hold on. Just to make before you do anything else.
Yeah.
Go up to where near the back and the forward button. You know the forward button you went to before. There's a the next button to the right. Reload page. Do that. And that way it should load up 200 this time. Will take a little bit longer. And then when we select them all, we're selecting 200 of them rather than 25.
It's only 98.
Okay, now
it's only 98.
It's only not out, doesn't matter. Do more. Okay, select all.
Then, okay.
Now click on the rubber pen. And they're all gone. Good. It's better than doing them 25 at a time. Okay. All right. Now, what we're going to see if we're going to have to see if it's going to allow us to forward your mail to Gmail.
Yes.
So let's go to settings. We might not be able to do this here. So go to settings.
Yeah.
Click on that. Now, I didn't see any settings. So we're quota, main display, convert, automatic draft saves, notifications, delete trash on logout. Oh, that's another thing we've got to do. Notice it's got delete trash on logout, bottom one.
I can't see it. I don't know where you are.
Oh, look at the bottom of that window.
Oh, no, look at that. Yeah, delete trash on logout.
Could have used that anyway.
Yeah,
okay.
Well, that's off. Now, listen, that's off. What happens if I put it on? Will it come on? Or is that green?
Oh, yeah. Well, it's up to you. I wanted not to do that because sometimes you delete things and then you go out of it and you've lost it all. But anyway,
well, this
it's up to you.
Anyway, so I don't think that will be.
Okay, if you want to scroll down a little bit more. Doesn't look like there's any ability to redirect here.
No.
You haven't got any redirection. Okay, we might have to do it from Gmail then. Okay, just scroll back up again.
I don't think I've got a Gmail password. Because I went straight into it. I didn't need,
Okay, well, hopefully you do, because we went into it the other day. You must have a Gmail password. Anyway, real name replied to, so there's nothing there. Okay, so all those settings, okay. Let's just have a look at something. There's nothing that's deleting things from here, is there? There's nothing that's, other than just one that we changed, there's nothing else. Delete trash on password. What's below delete trash on logout? What's below that? We scroll to the bottom.
Trash button action. Move selected mail to trash. Select button. Okay. So I suppose that's the stuff that comes in and then goes into trash that's been selected. And that's all the stuff that was in there.
Enable message preview. Enable extra address fields. Interface language English. Display date is date. Just scroll down a little bit more and see what's below that.
Message per page 200.
Yeah, message per page 200. Now there's nothing that's going to say to delete things there. And the other thing is, I don't think it's been delete problems at the server end. It's definitely problems on your computer end. Anyway.
Exactly right, because it comes up, I deal with it, then I put it in the folder that I choose.
Okay. All right then. Okay, so we're all right. Well, just minimize this to the bottom of the screen, and we'll have to go into Gmail then and do the things that we want to do in Gmail. Okay. Okay. You've got another tab open there. Okay. All right. So click on the that one, and
that's not it.
No, you've called it up again. Just go to the one that says New Tab on the left-hand side, not the Facebook one that says New Tab. One says New Tab. That's it. Okay. All right. All right. So you just want to type in well, you're already in Gmail. You've got test email up the top there, up to the right of Google. Click on your test email where it says test email. Up on the tab that's at the top, right at the top of the screen.
Yeah.
That one, yeah. Okay. So you're already into it.
I was already in Google. That's why I didn't need a password, I suppose.
Okay. Yeah. True. Okay. Right on the right-hand side, near the address bar above your photo, there's the three dots. If you want to click on that, please.
Oh, right-hand side. Sorry. Yeah. Click on the three dots. Yes.
3 dots. Okay. And go down to where it says settings. Third from the bottom.
Oh yes. Here we go.
Click on that. Okay. All right. I'll wait for that to load. Already in settings. Now this is a different settings. Okay, go to the left-hand side where it's got settings. Where it's got settings over the left-hand side and the 3 bars. Click on those 4 bars, 3 or 4 bars. Click on that. Okay,
yeah, people.
On startup. People, appearance, search engine, default browser on startup. This is a new, go to advanced, where it's got the advanced one, go onto that.
And it's got a
Tab down.
little arrow.
Okay, private. Passwords of force, language downloads, printing. So there's system, reset, about Chrome.
Accessibility.
No. Go into system. I've changed this all on me. Open proxy. All right, they've changed this all around on me. Hold on a second. I'm going to have to look at Google used to be good. You could remember we did it the other day, where we tried to bring in we brought in your address book from from the old.
Yeah.
Is there a setting there? Go into settings again and see there's go to the old version. Click settings and say something about an old version. About Chrome. Go to the last one that says about Chrome. Click on that. Updating Google Chrome. I don't want to update it. Oh, great. I was going to update it anyway. Doesn't matter. Let that go. Get help with Chrome. Click on get help with Chrome anyway. We'll try that. We'll see if we can find something about redirecting mail.
Yeah.
Redirecting other mail. I'll wait until it comes up.
Popular articles.
No. Get started with Chrome, browse the web, create a personal, let Chrome do tasks for you, delete history and activity. Try let Chrome do tasks for you. Click on the plus to the left of that. Fill out forms. Oh, this is let Chrome. We don't want to help with Chrome. We want to help with Gmail. We're doing the wrong thing. Click on the minus again, so I'll get rid of that.
I have the grayed out my two arrows.
No, where you've got let with Chrome, click on the minus. It's got a plus. No. Where it says let Chrome do tasks for you in that grey area.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
Okay, this is telling us all about Chrome. I don't want to have Chrome. We want about Gmail. I thought we were going to get help on Gmail, not help on Chrome. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Just while we're up there, go up to the top where it says, where the address bar is, and click that once.
That one there?
Yeah, click that once. I'll put it all in blue and just say forwarding mail in mail. No, actually, I realise that's wrong. It should be.
That's all right, I realise that's all right.
Just delete that out. No, delete that out. Sorry, I've got that wrong. It should be
forwarding live.
Redirecting other mail to Gmail. Take that. Redirecting other mail to Gmail. Okay, and press enter.
Hang on a minute.
That's all right.
And then just click.
Just press enter. Yeah, just press enter.
This which page you were expecting.
Oh, your default search thing is ask. Your default search thing is ask.
Oh.
This extension has changed your pages.
When you
It's showing the search for Omnibox. If you didn't want these changes, you can restore previous settings. You don't want that one.
No.
Click on restore previous settings. Click on that's right. Something's still hasn't done it properly.
Try automatically forward Gmail messages to those accounts. Well, we want the opposite, don't we? Automatically forward.
Yeah.
Live mail.
Well, I'll tell you, you're using the wrong search engine, so let's just get into Google. So up at the address box, just type Google.
Just
up
here.
in the right up the top. No, up the top, right at the top. No, there. Just type. Click there once. Yeah, click once. And type www.google.com. No, somehow you're typing something. Cancel that. Close that little window. I don't know how you got into there. Click.
Just click on it.
Okay. Click it again. The address box. www.google.com.
Google.
No, you've left. Sorry. www.
Dot, is it?
.google.com. My apologies.
Google.com.
Okay. That's better. That's where we want to be, in Google, not in that other thing. Okay. All right. Yeah. Now you can type in, what do we have? Redirecting other mail to Google Mail.
Or Gmail.
To Gmail, yeah.
Right.
Redirecting other mail to Gmail.
Other mail to Gmail.
Yeah, it's already got it there. Okay, that'll do. That's better. Nah, that's the sort of messages you want. Okay. It says, on your computer, open Gmail's account you want to forward messages from. On your computer, open Gmail. That's not what we want to do. Turn on automatic forwarding. That's not what we want to do. We want it the other way. Okay. Can you forward emails from Gmail to another account? How do I forward Apple Mail to Gmail? How do I forward my email from Hotmail to Gmail? All right. Okay, try that one that says Hotmail to Gmail, the second from the bottom. Further down, that list, people underneath, people also asked.
Right. Emails.
Okay. Okay, then scroll down so I can read it.
Is Hotmail relevant? You know what I mean?
No, I know this is wrong because it looks like Gmail have updated their system just recently, and as a consequence, these people are all writing about how to do it the old way.
Yeah.
Can you just hold on a second? I'll have a look at my one.
All right.
Have a look at I do it my way. Okay. Whoop, right, that's not what I want to do. Okay. All right, I'm just trying to redirect Office Mail to Gmail. See what happens. Now, where's this? Okay, stamp mark. I need one which is later again. I'm just going to change my settings. More. No, tools. What I'm doing is I'm actually searching for it, but I'm looking for something that's more recent in the past year. Okay, I can't send this one. No, I haven't got it. I'll go back one. All right. It's got it for the old version. Looks like we have to somehow change to the old version. It talks about click on the cogwheel to the right top of the corner.
Cogwheel, no, I don't know what is that.
We haven't got it. As there isn't, I know there isn't a cogwheel on the new one. But the old one. Like. But the other day we actually did it, and we went back to using a previous version of Gmail.
Oh.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the settings here. It's done completely different. All right. Okay. Okay. Go back to your test email, the second tab from the left there. All right. Now there's the cogs over there. Click on the cog to the right, below your name.
There.
Click on that settings. Okay. Go down to settings underneath that. That's one that says settings.
Yeah.
Ah, that's the one we want.
Where is it?
I don't know how we couldn't get to it before, but that's the one we want. Okay. Right. All right. Forwarding and pop IMAP. Okay, we'll start off with accounts and import. Let's try it there for a starter. Go to accounts and import.
Import.
All right.
Contacts.
Notice we started this the other day, but we couldn't do it because you didn't have the password, right?
That's right. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so where it's got that I don't know what you click on. It says this import has not started, and it's got in red, and it's got provide info to the right of that. Click on provide info.
Enter the password.
Enter the password for that. That's what you need to do. Okay.
So that's the password I've used just now, isn't it? Sorry,
that's the pass. This is the password to your Optus account.
Yeah, well, that's
the one you put in to get into.
Did I put it in
new
just
one?
Now? All right, here I go.
Say again.
I said, is that the one I put in just now? I suppose so. I haven't got another. Right.
That's the one that you put in to get into the when we got into the Optus one. Okay.
Right. Oh, thank God. Import mail, and it's got, you see, it's got a tick on that.
Okay, hold on, before we go on, okay. Import mail, leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server. Retrieved messages, okay. Archive incoming messages, skip the inbox.
No.
Add label to all imported mail messages. So, okay, well, that's okay. We'll just start import, that's all right, that should do the trick. And it's going to go and get the mail. Finish, your messages are being imported. This may take up sometimes up to 2 days, right? That's all going to happen in the background, so don't worry about that. Just click on OK. All right. Okay. So the only trouble is, in terms of doing this, I don't know if it's going to continue to do it or what. I'm not sure.
I know.
So that means every time an email comes into your Optus mail, it'll also go to Gmail.
Yes.
Hopefully it will.
Do you know, is there a way of getting my live mail folders taken out to Gmail? Or will I have to do that individually?
Say again?
You know those folders in Windows Live Mail?
Chris, can you just, because your voice is breaking up, I'm having trouble hearing what you're saying, and I have trouble hearing anyway. Can you just talk a little bit slower?
Okay. You know my storage folders in Windows Live Mail?
Yes.
Yeah, you know those. Well, is there a way to get them moved over to Gmail? Holus Bolus?
Yes. Yeah, I should be able to do that. We could just export it out of Windows Live Mail.
Yeah.
And then would go into and then import it into Gmail.
Yeah.
To do that. So let's have a go. All right. So let's go back to your Windows Live Mail, and we'll export it out of there for a starter. So you down on the bottom of the screen, Windows Live Mail, click there. Okay. Okay, I'd imagine it'd be, we haven't got anything for tools, have we, at the top there?
We have got tools, but...
Oh, there is tools.
Yeah, message.
No, go to options under tools. So we've got general, read, receipts, send, compose, signatures, connection, advanced. We're going to have a look at advanced.
No. Oh, this is up the top, is it? Advanced.
Yeah, up the top, advanced. Yeah.
Yep.
Settings, store settings, maintenance.
I can't see.
You can try under maintenance. I don't know what's under the maintenance box. Go down the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
The bottom of that box, maintenance.
Yeah, yeah.
Empty messages, store for, clean up. No, it doesn't seem to have anything about importing there, does it? Exporting.
No.
That's what we need. Close that.
Yeah, I just
Okay.
didn't want the folders to vanish again, you know what I mean?
Okay, all right. Close that window again. There must be somewhere else. Okay, under tool, go to tools again.
Yep.
Okay, so we've got sync everything, message rules, manage groups, manage feed, accounts. Okay, perhaps it's under accounts. Try accounts. Mail and news. No, not there. Okay, close that. Hold on. I'll do a quick search myself onto exporting. Oh, what about actions? Might be an action rather than a tool. Okay, what do we got? Return to center, forward, chunk event, create rules, flag message, watch conversation, ignore messages. No, nothing about that. We could go to help and see if it says anything about exporting. So we can try that.
Get help with emails, check there. So sending feedback help.
I doubt if we'll have anything. Go to get help with mail, but I doubt if it's going to work.
Is that
go down to the get help. I thought it would do this. It's just going to go to a Microsoft site.
Oh, it's got my son's on there.
No, don't want that. Don't do that. Okay, just okay. Close that tab. Just make sure you only close that tab. Up the top where it says sign into, where the X is there, up where the tab, all the tabs are at the top. No, right up the top of the screen. The second one, the last one on the right, close that one only.
Right.
No, that's not going to do it. Okay, go back to Windows Live Mail down on the taskbar again.
Yeah.
I'll have a quick look myself. Exporting from Windows Live Mail. Let's see if we can find it. Okay. So I've just gone into Google. Save your Windows Live Mail contacts to a CSV. No, that's not what we want to do. We did that the other day. Windows Live. How do I back up on Windows Live Mail? It's not what I want to do. How do I back up? How do I export contacts? Well, no, there's nothing about how to export the mail messages. Import and export email contacts and calendars from Windows Live Mail.
You know what?
Windows Live Mail.
You know storage folders? Well, it's got Google Mail down there.
Yeah, that's right, the new one. That's the new one that's just created. Oh.
I wondered if I put them all in there and then try to export them from there.
That's something that's new, isn't it?
Maybe if it's Mail, they won't lose it so quick.
If you click on Google Mail, what's it show you?
Oh, yeah. There's no items.
No, okay. Okay. I don't know what that's there for.
Maybe that's going to bring in the stuff that I've just said to send over.
All right, I'll keep searching for it. Just hold on a second and see if I can find it. How to export Windows Live Mail contacts. How to copy, transfer Windows Live Mail from old PC to new PC. Express, switching to Thunderbird. I don't know how to do that. That's not what How do I export Windows Live Mail? I don't want email address. I want the mail itself.
Yes.
How to transfer Windows Live Mail to Windows 10. Export Windows Live Mail to Outlook. Let's try that one. Okay. Open Windows Live Mail. Click Contacts folder. Click. No, this is all about contacts. I don't want to do contacts. I want to do messages themselves.
Yeah, that's right. The actual emails.
The actual email. Don't tell me there's no way of doing it. I'll try that one.
Oh no, I couldn't do, could I? Just to say, otherwise I'd have to get every email I want to keep and then write it down and send it to myself on Gmail. Oh,
listen, Chris, as I said, because the voice is breaking up, I can't hear what you're saying unless you talk a lot slower.
Sorry. I said the only thing to do is the really important ones is to write them out to get into myself and then send them to Gmail, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you could do that, but that's a very slow and cumbersome way of doing it. Right? There's a better way. Click on the files at the top left-hand side and choose export email. Click on the files menu at the top left-hand tab and choose export email. Click on the file menu. Okay, it's under file.
Yeah.
I should have.
Export
messages. Okay. Up to file. There we are. Okay. So messages, yes. Okay. Silly me. Should have thought of that first. Okay. Click on messages. Okay. Select the format you want to export mail to. Microsoft Exchange and Microsoft Windows Live Mail. It hasn't got a CSV format. Really nice. Okay. We don't want Microsoft Exchange. We can try Microsoft Windows Live Mail. Click on that. Okay. Click on Next.
Please select the folder.
Please select the folder. Okay. Click on Browse. Okay. And we'll put it in Chris. And we'll put it in, what else you got under there? You got one called Documents. Slow it down. Have you got a Documents one?
It's coming. Yeah.
Documents. Put it there. Okay. Righto. Okay, that'll do. Righto. Go up the top. Click on OK on that.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's already got. Okay. Please select a folder to store the exported messages. Well, you only have to select the folder. Okay. Just click on Next. That must be an empty directory. Please select an empty directory and try again. Okay. All right. Click on OK. Okay. Go up back to Browse again.
Yeah.
Okay. You got Documents. Okay. Underneath on that box at the bottom left-hand corner in that dialog, it's got Make a new folder. Okay.
Right. Got it.
Just type in exported emails. Exported emails. Okay.
And OK?
Yeah, click on OK, yeah. Okay, exported. Now click on Next. Okay. Click on Next again. Select the message folders that you would like to export to Windows Live Mail. Click Next to perform the export. So you want all of them. You want the outbox. You've already clicked Next. Okay.
Sorry.
Doesn't matter. Okay. It's already doing them. You might have to do this again if we didn't get the whole lot.
Right.
It's exporting deleted items at the moment. Hopefully we want.
Oh no. I
didn't really want to delete it. No, let it go for the time being. It's almost finished. See if it comes up with any more. Yeah, it's now doing the inbox. Okay, it's doing all the boxes and the sent items.
Oh.
It's doing them all. Okay, so it is exporting them. All right.
Yeah, but is that taking them from the storage folders?
Well, it's got the sent ones. Let's see if it goes to watch the little messages and see if it says the storage ones as well. You only really wanted the storage ones, didn't you?
Yes, that's right. Yes, I should have pressed selected folders.
Yeah. What do you want to cancel it and start again?
Yeah, I think so.
Cancel it. Okay. All right. Go back. Okay. Click on finish there. We'll have to start it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, go up to where it says File again,
Okay.
and go down to Export.
No. Is that on here? Yeah,
Export.
export. That's right. Messages.
Messages. Okay, Windows Live Mail. Want to select that one.
Mm,
Okay, go to Next.
Next.
Okay, click on Browse.
Browse.
Okay, click on Chris.
Yeah.
Click on,
And then
go slide down. No, slide down.
Yeah.
No, slide down until you can see Documents. Click on that.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. And then click on Make a New Folder.
Right.
Click on Make a New Folder and call it Exported Emails 2, I suppose. Or Only Ones I Want, or whatever you want to call it.
Exported
Email.
exported emails.
Emails 2, because you called the last one Exported Emails. You have to call it Emails 2.
Right.
Okay. Click on OK.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, click on Next. Okay, now this time to selected folders.
Yeah.
Okay. Now scroll down, and there should be somewhere that says,
All these.
okay.
This is.
Okay, so can you do them one at a time? Can you click on them one at a time? Click on, you want the Ancestry ones, and you don't want the deleted ones.
Actually, I don't need all these things. So, don't need sent items. Ancestry, yes.
Click on that.
And what
Okay.
I put here,
Now you might have to see which one do you want next.
business.
Okay, just click on business, see what happens.
No, so what
Go back to Ancestry. Ancestry, click on that. Now hold the Control key down and click on business. Hold the Control key down and click on business. Now hold the Control key down and click on the ones that you want.
Yep. That's empty, that one, so I'll leave it.
That's all you want?
Hang on a
Nothing
minute,
below that?
just a second. Premium bonds, yeah. I can leave that one. Book and heritage, yeah. Coach tours, odd bits. Receipts. I don't really need this lot.
You see all that says recovered items and all that stuff? Do these ones normally appear in your Windows Live Mail?
They're just all empty.
They're all empty, are they?
Yeah, they're all empty.
No, and we're exporting them now, but when you go into Windows Live Mail, do you see all this?
Yeah, yeah. I looked in those before because it's the first thing I did, and they're all empty. But I don't want to take them with me.
Okay. All right.
No.
Okay, keep going through. They're the ones you want. You've been to the bottom of the list.
Yeah, that's right. I have.
You haven't been to the bottom.
Yeah, but then there's all sorts of rubbish down here. I don't know what this is, but they're not my sort of folders. You know what I mean? But
I know, but even though they're not your folders, they might have a copy of the other folders in them. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's click on Next for the moment. We'll export this.
Otherwise, I shan't be able to exporting Ancestry. Oh, this is better. Oh, lovely, lovely.
Okay. All right.
That's all your emails in there. That's been gone once. Tom's will not need that.
The other thing is, no guarantee that I'm going to be able to import them into Gmail, because the format that's exporting them into are both proprietary Microsoft ones. So why? And they don't normally. You get the ability to export them as what's called a CSV file, which is a universal one that covers all companies, right? Whereas Microsoft, they're only allowing you to export it to their format, which is a damn nuisance. We'll see what happens. I'll just have to go away for a minute, Chris, while it's doing that. I'll come back in a minute, right?
Yes, fine.
Is that okay? Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, back again.
Good. Shall I click finish now?
Yeah, if it's done at all, finish here. All right.
Yep.
Now, just minimize Windows Live Mail. Down to the taskbar. Okay, go back to the Google one, the Gmail one with the M on the left. Up the tab,
yeah.
right up the top. Okay. Okay. Rightio. Okay, so it's got something about importing there because we imported the address book the other day. Now we want to import some mail messages.
Mail and contacts. That's.
Oh, there we are. Yeah.
Second
So
name.
hold on. Oh, that's from an other. No, that's import from Yahoo, Hotmail, and other webmail or POP3 accounts. No, that's not how you do it. Okay. That's importing it from a system that's currently running. All right. Okay. So all right. So let's. There's another thing. Where is it? Over on the left-hand side where it's got more.
Yep.
Click on more. No, that's not it. Accounts and import. All right, well, perhaps it is there. I don't know. So where it's got an import mail and that it's got import mail and contacts, go to where it's got over to the right where it's got import mail and contacts. Click on that. No, just that's what we did before. We don't want to do that. Just cancel that.
Right.
So that's you have to put in an email address to import it from there. I want to import it from a file.
Yes.
So how do we do that? Oh no, hold on. I've got some more information here. If I select Microsoft, the next. How to export Windows Mobile. All right, I'll just have to go up here. I'll put importing and PO. By the Gmail. Importing exported files to Gmail. Import the file. Go to the old version of Google Contacts. No, that's everybody tells me how to do everything for contacts, but we don't want to do it for mail. How to copy personal folders from Outlook into Gmail.
I wonder if we went to documents or wherever, and then did it from that end and exported them to.
We've already exported them, but we just need to import them. You said Gmail can set up with iMessage.
What about send to?
Hold on, I'm just reading a bit at the moment, Chris.
Right.
Import, restore contacts. Import, export your Gmail filters. Quick guide to importing and exporting email contacts. How to import Gmail inbox export back to my Gmail account. Transfer contacts. Export your email from Gmail to otherwise. How to import export contacts to Outlook and Gmail. Import to Gmail. I'll just change it to. I've got the word export there. I think it's messing it up. Importing to Gmail. Importing to Gmail. Select the Accounts and Import tab. Add POP3 email account button. Fill in the information in the wizard that appears. Click the Add POP3 email account button. Fill in the information in the wizard that appears. Yeah, that's how to do it, assuming there's already an account. Listen, Chris, it might automatically going to be doing it anyway, because remember we had sold it to go and get the thing, and it might automatically import those things. Oh no, it can't, because it can only do the ones that are on the Optus server. It's on your what's the name, Mr. Roy?
Yeah, that's right.
The other email supports POP3 or to use it on that feature of Gmail. Third-party client, no. I had all my old email in there already. I just dragged this folder that was syncing to Gmail. If the other email provider allows you to forward it, we don't want to do that. Start Gmail, click the settings button, click the accounts and click information, the wizard appears. Add POP3 account. It wants to add another POP3 account. We can try that, I suppose. Where does it say again? Start email and click on the settings button. Select the accounts and import tab, which we're on, the accounts and import tab, right? Add POP3 email account button. Add POP3 email account button. Where's the add POP3? Nothing there that says add POP3.
It said import from other or other.
It says import or, and it doesn't say add POP3 account, does it?
No, it just says all POP3 account, assuming you've already got one.
Forwarding and go to where it says forwarding and pop IMAP. Click on that one.
Now,
one, the tab up the top, up higher.
Yep.
On that one.
So it said here status is POP3 disabled.
Enable POP for all mail. Enable POP for mail that arrives from now on. Okay. That's going to do it. I thought there was just an import thing, but it was somewhere else. It wasn't on one of these screens.
Oh, right.
Click on the one that you've got. Click on the one, two to the right of the one you clicked on before, the one that says offline. See what that says. Two to the right. That's right. It's chat offline.
Yeah, it's not got much at all.
No, it doesn't do anything.
Oh.
Okay. Go back to accounts and imports again. As there was, we didn't miss something further down, did we?
No, that's it.
Additional, add additional storage, grant access to your account, add another account. Using Gmail for work. Check mail from another account. We've already done that. Just a matter of interest, where it says check mail from another account there, it's on the, no, up a little bit higher, next block up.
Yeah.
It says view history. Click on view history and see what it says.
Oh, right.
No, don't, no, add another, no, cancel it.
Hang on. View history, yep. No mails fetched.
Okay. Okay. So it looks like, looking at that, it looks like it's checking it every 11:05, 11:01, 11:23, every 10, 20 minutes, which is good, I suppose. Okay, close that one off. But it's not getting the mail that you've currently got into Gmail. That's the problem. We have to get the current mail into Gmail.
Yes.
We've exported it. That wasn't a problem. We're able to export it, but now we need to import it. And there doesn't seem, the import thing only does it for other mail. It doesn't do it from a file.
Doesn't do it from a folder.
Yeah. Okay. Just might be hidden again underneath your picture where that cog is. Click on the cog again.
Yeah.
Right over there. Comfort compact. Configure inbox. Settings. Themes. Help. We're already in settings. All right. Click on help and we'll see if you get some help on it. The last one, help. We'll open up another tab. Delete, sign in, change here. Just put import email. Import email. Yeah, import email. There it is. Click on import email. The one right at the bottom, not the top one, the one right at the bottom. Import email. Check email from fix problems importing mail. Import, restore, backup contacts. How to import email and contacts from one Gmail to another. Don't want to do that. How to import my emails from Orange inbox to Gmail. No, this doesn't. We want to import email. Keep typing. See, it says from a file. From a file.
Oh.
From
Stop
a
this.
file.
Yeah, I know. It just stopped.
Ah, that's email addresses. That's not what we want. Import and restore backup contacts. How to import emails from downloaded data from .nbox extension. I don't know what. CSV formatted files will not import into Gmail.
Oh.
Try the one that says .mbox. How to import emails from downloaded with .mbox extension. Ah, you perhaps have got to put an extension on it. How to import emails from downloaded files with mbox extension. Okay. It's got an answer. Scroll down and it's got an answer. Unfortunately, Google Takeout is an export only tool. There is no support for importing the date to an account. Unfortunately, the following Gmail backup restore utility fortunately can be used to transfer email history and has been recently modified to be able to restore from inbox file. Well, command line only, it's going to be difficult. I think we're at the situation, Chris, where this is getting a little bit more difficult to be able to do this.
Yeah, and if I start, sorry, if I start using Gmail now from now on, hopefully all the new ones will go onto Gmail and I won't lose them.
That's right. Yeah.
So
and what I'd also suggest, very strongly suggest to everybody, is go to your outbox and your contact list and just send an email to everybody and say, I'm changing email providers. Please send all my email to this one now. The only problem, if you got that with bank, you've got bank information with Optus as well.
No.
They don't have your bank don't have your email address, Optus email address.
No.
What about other business things? What about other business things?
The only business things is various quotes and receipts and things, which is fair enough. I'll have to, maybe anything desperate, I could print it out.
No, but there's not. I mean, there's nothing that's been what's the name? There's nothing that's been. You haven't given some other organisation your email address that you get important emails from them.
Not really. No, the only important ones are sort of bills for my insurance and that kind of thing. So I can grab them when they come in, print them out, and do that for now, and then get it changed. No,
well, I'm suggesting what you could do is you could actually go to whoever you're getting those bills from and tell them to change the email address to the new Gmail. Yes.
That wouldn't take much doing. There's only 2 or 3, and the bank never sends me emails. If I want to access one account only, I go do it through Google.
Okay, all right.
No. So they never
that might be the best idea at this stage. All right. But in the meantime, everything that we did, we dumped all that stuff into a file.
Yes.
What you really should do is copy that file off your computer onto an external drive. Have you got an external hard drive?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, let's do that now just to make sure.
Okay, right. I'll just plug it in. Hang on.
Okay, before you do that, hold on. I've got a phone call coming through.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Speaking, but listen, I'm busy at the moment. Can you ring me back in a couple of hours' time? Thank you. Bye. That's just TPG wanting to talk to me, wanting to sell me the NBN. Okay, yeah, you can close those. I would close most of this other stuff off first. Don't close that window though, because that's where the hangout is. Okay,
yeah,
just minimise that. Okay.
Now I go to this.
You can probably close, just so we know where we are. You've got a lot of them open. Close all in.
All right.
Okay. All right.
Where am I? Close all that lot.
Yeah, close all. If you right click on that, you can say close all. You don't have to do them one at a time. If you right click on it.
Yeah, hang on. I'll just get it up a minute. It's now right click.
Oh, you should be able to right click. Close all windows. Yeah. Right click. Right click.
Well, if I put right clicked on that, perhaps.
No,
minimize
no. Well, no. Go down to the yellow tab again. Click on that. Just click on it. Click on it. Don't right click. Just click.
Yeah.
Okay. Now right click on it. It says close all windows. One from right at the right neck. No, right at the bottom. It says close all windows. That's a faster way.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Okay. And by the way, you've got actually Windows Explorer set so every time you're using it, it's opening up a new window. I don't use it that way because it's a bit slow, but anyway.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so you've got, what have you actually hardened the hard drive? You can see it's Amiga HDDF drive. Okay, that's not a problem.
I just wanted to file somewhere. I don't know where I put it, that new file. It's in document.
I'll tell you where, I remember where you put it. It's in documents, yeah. You open up that.
Yeah. Exported.
And underneath that, no, it'll be called...
I got it. It's exported emails to.
That's right. If you right-click on that.
Yeah.
Right-click on it.
Right, yep.
And go down to copy.
Oh, what about send to? And I've got my...
well, I'd rather you go to copy because if you just do it to that, it doesn't know which folder you're putting it in. Go to copy.
Right, right-click, copy.
Go down to copy.
Yep.
Now go to, on your left-hand side there, go to your Amiga HDDF drive.
Yep.
There you are. Where do you want to put them? Looks like you've got a whole lot of photos there. Do you want to, I'd suggest you create another folder called backup of emails.
Right. No. Right-click and...
Scroll down. No, scroll down further. What have you got below all those numbers?
Trouble is, it's all standard here, isn't it? It's just ridiculous. That's in this.
You've actually got a copy of Windows Live Mail there.
Yeah. Don't know what that is at the moment. No.
Go into it. Double click on it. Open it up. It's only 1 kilobyte, so I don't know what. No, you've opened. Don't know what that is.
Oh.
Okay, you've gone up another level. Window. Where's your Windows Live Mail? Again, go slide up. I can't see it.
Yeah. Now right click. I've got.
No, just click. Just click. No, click once on Windows Live Mail.
Sorry, good. I clicked twice. Yeah.
You've got a copy of your Windows Live Mail, but looking at the dates on it, what are the dates? They're back in December.
Oh.
December the 16th. December,
16.
July through to December. What's the name? Okay. So that's where you did have a backup of it at that stage. But how you actually get to use it, I don't know.
No, I wouldn't have a clue. So I've got to make a new.
I do roughly know, but I don't want to.
Mm.
But I don't want to do that. Okay. What I suggest you do is you want to store the new one in there, Windows Live Mail.
Oh.
Or you want to call another folder called backup emails.
Yes, I do.
Okay, go up right up to the top to the C drive there.
Yeah, C drive.
Sorry, the Amiga drive. My apologies, Amiga drive.
Yeah.
Point at that.
That's
and
right.
point at that. Point at it.
Yeah.
And then right click and go to new folder and call it backup, email backups.
Email release backups.
Backups and put dash exported. Dash exported.
Right, exported. Right.
Okay, so you know it's exported. Now press enter on that.
Yep.
Okay, just double click on it to go into it and right click.
And paste.
Yeah.
Export emails, yes.
Didn't take long, did it?
No, that's good. Can I close
okay,
this
so you've got an export. So you've got an exported version of it as of today's date, anyway.
Yeah. So I've got it safe.
All right. So that. Okay. Yeah, you can close all that. Close that window. Close that one. That one. Or.
Yeah. No, I've still got. Oh no.
All right then. All right. So you're still in. We're still in there. You've got all those things going. If you go to that, back to the Hangout there, click on that.
Yeah. I tell you what, there's one more thing. When I've got a new email on this, is there some way of showing me on the desktop at the bottom, you know what I mean? Where I've got my Google sign, that there's a new email coming on Gmail.
No, unfortunately.
Oh, really?
No, there isn't, because you're not in the you're not actually in it. All right. The only way to do that would be to make it. You could make what you could do is make it so that every time you start your computer, it automatically connects to the internet and goes into Gmail. So that way, when emails arrive, it's not going to show you on the desktop.
No, never mind. If I can't do it, that's all right.
Okay. Just go back on the left-hand side where it says Composer. Go back to your inbox. I'll just see if there's any way of doing it. Click on inbox. There might be a way of doing it. I don't know. So there's nothing arrived yet. It's just that one from me.
Yeah. The thing is, with Windows Live, I know if there's a new email there because it's got a little yellow envelope on it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. The same here. I use Mozilla Thunderbird, and it makes a beep noise. Now, it's interesting. It comes from the. So I wonder if there's a Gmail app for on the Google Store, Gmail app. In which case, if you installed and ran that, then it would tell you.
Yeah. Well, I'll leave it for now. I'll just digest all this and get it sorted.
Okay. All right then. If you just go up to where it's got the Google Hangout again, then you can stop the screen sharing.
Okay. Thanks ever so much.
It says you're screen sharing. So if you click on that, that'll stop it.
Righto.
Should stop it anyway. Yeah, there you are. We're back to you. Okay. So I'll stop the broadcast. We recorded all that. And I don't know if there's any advantage. I can delete it if we don't need it anyway. Right.
Yeah.
So at least you've got the messages that are coming. What I could possibly do is I'll send you a message to your Optus account, and we'll see if it actually arrives in your Gmail account.
All right.
But we'll see if it happens. Okay.
Well, you might be able to send me a copy of this thing.
Copy of what thing? Sorry.
This what we've done this webinar, like you sometimes do.
Oh yeah, you want a copy of it? Yeah. Send you that. I can give you that now. Hold on.
And you can send it to Gmail, eh?
Yeah. Believe it or not, you can actually do it while you're in it.
Oh.
Okay. All right. I'll send it to both the Gmail and your other accounts. So should have them both on the thing now. There we go. Message. And I've got that's not Chris Gilmore, Chris Callis. And send to have your Optus one. What was your Optus email address, Chris?
Optus one, rchalice09.
Hold on a sec. RCHA. Ah, I'm doing things wrongly.
Oh, good. I'm so glad it's not just me.
Well. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I'm sending it to both. Okay.
Thank you.
I think to be recording. Well, I don't know why this is going so far. Recording of. Do you want the one of yesterday as well?
Well, the last
That's an hour and a half.
a couple of days ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, you want? I can give that to you.
All right then, if it's handy.
Let's go find it. Go find it. Where is it? Configure the live events dashboard. Oh, video manager is what I want. Yeah, there it is. Helping Chris within. That's it there. Okay. Slow. Okay, click on that. No, that's the edit version. Okay. What's happening there? Down there. Not what I want. Doesn't do it the way I want it to do it.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Oh. All right, we're live now. Just hold on, I'm playing the one of the other day. I have to stop it. And watching it recorded later on. Stop that one. And I need to share that. Share that. There it is. Copy that. One for the other day. Okay. Oop. Well, okay, just got to get the one from the. Okay, where are we? We're in that. There it is. There. Copy that. Okay. Paste in there. Okay. And I'll just sign that. Okay. Send. Sent it. Okay.
Oh,
I better stop the. Did I stop the recording already? No, I haven't. I better.
I think.
All right, I'll stop the recording. Because what it does, it's interesting. You can actually. The crazy thing about this thing is, while I can go back and look at the recording while we're recording it. Believe it or not.
Oh.
Incredible.
Crumbs.
Seems crazy, but anyway, not crazy. It's amazing. So, if I sent you the link, which you'll be getting now, you can actually go back, and we're still recording this, and you can watch the beginning of it while we're still recording it.
I do that with my videos on the programs on TV.
You can. Well, yeah, I guess you can. You can play it while you're doing it. Yeah.
Yeah, I play it back and cut the ad as I go.
You can't record something that you're playing, can you? On the TV.
I can't record something.
You can record live TV.
Yes, that's right. I record TV, and then I might.
But you can't play something and record what you're playing. Crazy. And that's what about. Here's a tremendous advantage. If you wanted to go back and look at something, I could pull it up on my screen. I could even do a screen share with you and share you what I was doing just before. Crazy, but anyway.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, I'll stop.
Yeah, terrific.